What? No, he does not. He definitely doesn't need it. He is a liar. 5. Kill my glove. This is the best manager ever. This is the best service I've ever received. Well, we're back for a challenge night here at Boss Pro Karting. I got some new people tonight. We'll see how they do. Hopefully they do well. Everybody's got to start somewhere. Should be a fun little fast layout we got going here. And let's go. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Yep. Give me a little boost. Give me a little boost there, Clay. Give me a little boost. Give me a little boosteroo. I don't know what's this gas pedal doesn't feel like it's going very. This gas pedal doesn't feel very good. I don't know, something feels a little off with this car. I feel like it does not have a high top speed. It does not have a high top speed at all. I am getting... Okay, yeah, we just got past on the end. Okay, that's not exactly what you want to have happen. Oh, boy, okay, that was a nice bump back there. Yeah, I am, This is not... Wow, he is pulling away from me right at the beginning. That is not good. We're going to have to take some chances with these corners in order to keep up. Because, man, this is a dog. Holy brother. Yeah, Dave is immediately on my butt. This is going to be a long race. Yeah, I know, Dave. I know. It's not good. It's not good. I'm sorry. I can't go any faster. I'm trying my best here, bud. I'm getting on the gas so early, and there's just no acceleration power in this thing. I don't know if the tires are bad or what, but it is not going well. Yeah, I'm also not driving very well either. You should just go, Dave. You should just go. Because you are... I'm like literally trying not to brake at these curves and just trying to carry as much speed as I can. Like getting on the gas as early as possible, and it is not happening. I'm getting caught immediately out of corners. Yeah, this is tough. I would like this race to be over as soon as possible. Because this is not good. 4 laps? Oh my god, dude. I mean, I'm trying my best to be smooth out of these curves. Obviously, I had some bad curves earlier, but like... I gotta be smooth to not lose any speed here. Nope. That's my spot. Still my spot. Even if I messed it up a little bit, it's still my spot. Ah! Oh my god! Oh no, come on! You gotta be joking me! I tried so hard to not. Oh no. Alright, well, this is a good start for the night. This is a great start. This is a great start. This is real good. Real good. Well, we're back for race 2. Hopefully my cart has some top speed this time. They actually pulled it after I was done racing because it was so bad, but that's okay. You know, it's rental carts. Stuff happens. We're bringing out the Jokers this time. We were going to do it the first time, but the manager who was in charge wasn't really sure about, you know, how viable it would be. And then the owner came by. He returned from a trip he had, and when he brought up the story of him deciding not to do the Jokers, he was like, "Why would you do that? That's a classic thing that we do. We do it all the time." So we have the Jokers in reverse now. Everybody gets 2 Jokers, so they can skip this little double hairpin section there. They get 2 of them. It's a little shortcut that we take from like rally racing and stuff. All right, I think we have top speed this time. That's good. Let's see how this goes. As always, the goal is to have as much clear open space as possible. Oh no. What are we doing? Oh. I think a cone's already busted. Okay, well.
2 seconds later.
And we're back. That's actually another reason to wait on Jokers as long as possible. Because if a caution happens and you have happened to take a Joker, it's very easy to lose that space you've gained. Because either, you know, we could either do something like a single file. Oh god, that was really bad. I should stop talking. We could either do a single file rolling restart, where you essentially lose all that real estate you gained by taking a Joker. Or sometimes you're just like in a position where the yellow happens and like you're coming out of a turn, so you don't really have a lot of momentum, but there's people behind you who do have momentum, so they like get all this free real estate too. So, holy moly, people are on my butt. They must have taken a Joker or something. That's okay. I mean, we got a lot of free real estate still. A lot of open space. So, although I think we're going to take one so we can avoid these guys. Let's see what they do. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, good. That's 1. We have 1 left. And I know I literally just talked about like saving Jokers, but like you also have to avoid slow situations. Because essentially the winner of a Joker lap race is who has the most, you know, uninhibited track to use. And if you're stuck behind people that are slow or battling, that is not good. Okay, come on. Oh, okay. It's okay. Alright, okay. That was not good, but, you know, stuff happens. I'm driving pretty well, aside from a couple, maybe 1 or 2 curves, I'd like to think. So hopefully it doesn't hurt that badly. I hope that's Dave's second one that he's taken. I would wager it probably is. So we're just going to try to hold on to this last one for as long as possible. I really don't know the best way to do that fast curve at the moment. Oh no!
2 hours later.
Oh, we're back! Alright, I'm pretty sure this is the last lap. But someone had a dead card, so we had to replace it. I mean... I wonder if Dave has any jokers left. If he does, he's got me. He does not. Let's go, let's go! What in the world? What the heck happened? You okay? You guys okay? You all good? Okay.
Several song-filled hours later.
Well, we're back. There was a big crash. I actually don't know... Okay, now's the checkered. I thought last lap was the checkered flag, but apparently now is the checkered. But we did have to stop because of a big crash, so... Oh, goodness. Alright, good race. Everybody's okay, thankfully. Alright, we're back for the feature race. Miraculously, I'm in the pole position, even though I finished so bad in the first one, because somehow, like, 7 of us all have the exact same qualifying score. I don't really understand how. So here we go. Because I had the fastest lap, so I get the pleasure of being on pole. So we'll see how this goes. Tough crowd. So anything can happen. We'll see. Same rules as before: joker laps, etc. Oh boy, this thing does not want to turn right. That'll be tough. Yeah, it does not want to. Turning right is a little difficult in this guy. So we'll see how that goes. We're going to have to put a little more gas into the corner there to swing the back end around, I think. Because it does not want to turn, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll do our best. We'll do our best. Someone is immediately behind me. It's probably just Dave, I presume, because he started second. Alright, a couple people have taken jokers. We have 2 again, just like before. Oh boy, someone's coming from my back end, huh? Oh, okay, it wasn't Dave. Someone other than Dave is behind me. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. Thank you for the bump. Oh boy, someone is coming from there. Okay. Ooh, Clay seems real fast. Clay seems real fast. We'll see if he can get around Dave. Or if he's gonna have to take a joker to get around Dave. That will help me out a bit if he can just get held up there. Yeah, because that corner feels real bad. And that is an important corner, I would say. That is an important corner. We're gonna have to take one soon. I think we're gonna take one this next time, because I feel like we're gonna catch up to 12 here. Unless he takes one now. He is not. Okay, we got one left. Pretty sure all these guys in front of me have taken both their jokers. So we're just gonna take ours now. Oh, white flag, white flag, white flag. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hopefully these guys don't have any left. What? How does he have any left? What the heck? That's crazy. Well, good race. Good race.